Hello, Bill. What are you doing?
Making some shoes up to show horse outside.
Tell me how the bellows work. They're rather magnificent, aren't they?
Well, it's double action. You've got the when you start pumping, the air fills it right up, and the top one is weighted so that he sinks down. And the weight that side keeps him down all the time, so you've got to keep pumping to keep the air flowing through into the fire.
Where do you keep the horseshoes?
Well, I've got him in the fire at the moment.
So the fire must be very, very hot then.
It is, it's very hot.
How hot do they have to be before you can...
Well, if you get them between red and white, and then they're easy to work on.
Must be a pretty hot job, I
It is a warm job.
Can I see you doing it?
Yes, certainly.
Bill, why do you bang sometimes on the anvil and then sometimes on the
Well, it's
horseshoe?
force of habit. When we used to have a striker, we used to talk with the hammer. One hit was for him to strike on, two was for him to strike faster. When you rolled your hammer, he'd stop. Yeah, that's ready now to take out, to burn onto the horse's foot.
He's outside now. Shall we go and see
Yeah.
him?
Ooh, my lad. Whoa, boy, whoa, boy, whoa, boy. Whoa, my son. 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 Whoa, boy. Hey, stop it. Ooh, oh boy. There, that's you done.
And that's a lovely job. Thanks very much for showing me. That was
Thank you,
lovely.
Pam.
Bye-bye then.
Bye-bye.